All right, I just got back from a road trip in the Honda Ridgeline, and while I was on vacation, when I started it up, the information warning light came on saying that my key fob battery was low. So generally you have a little bit of time before you have to worry about it, but we're gonna replace that. I keep these on hand. The Honda Key Fobs take these 2032 batteries, 2032. So on the Honda key ring that looks like this one's from my Ridgeline, but they're all pretty much the same. If you look on the back, there's this little button. It's a slider button right here you grab with your fingernail. So you can slide that with your fingernail and then pull this out. This reveals your physical key. So you can use this, to lock and unlock the doors and things of that nature. So we're gonna set that aside. I use a pretty decent sized flathead screwdriver. And right here, there is a couple of plastic squares on top and bottom. And I put this flathead in between them. And then I just rotate it. And what that does, you can tell this is in two pieces. There's a line going down the middle. So I put the screwdriver here and I just rotate. And what that does is it pops those two pieces. There's our old battery. So just got to get that out. I got a little pick right here to kind of give me some assistance. Maybe I can get under that battery. Okay, pop that out. I have another one here, CR2032. So, pop that in there like that. Take my two sides, line them up, just squeeze them until they pop back together. Take my key and put it back in, and we're done. It's parked right out that door. Yep, I can hear it beep at me. So that works. So that's all there is to it. I'll put links in the description so you'll be able to buy if you want to buy your batteries on Amazon or wherever you want to buy them, I'll put the battery size in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been helpful.